Hi there, students. To disseminate, a verb, dissemination. To spread news, particularly news. You could give out something as well, but most commonly to disseminate news, information, ideas to lots of people. So, one of the things that's important for me is to disseminate my channel and my videos to people. Okay, there are many ways to disseminate information. You could advertise, you could make handbills, you could make posters, you could advertise on the radio. Okay, so to disseminate, to distribute. It's almost like you are sowing seeds so that they can grow. Yeah, if you actually look at the origin, it comes from the Latin word dissemino, I broadcast, dis in this case all in all directions, and semino, I plant or I sow. So it's talking about planting or sowing seeds. So you disseminate something. This knowledge has become widely disseminated throughout the world. It's widespread, yeah, disseminated everywhere. Everybody knows about it. Okay, so to disseminate news, to spread everywhere. The government has tried to disseminate various messages about how to reduce the spread of COVID, for example. They are disseminating information about safety, about how to be safe, how not to cause accidents. Yeah, this word, it's almost like a metaphor for sowing seeds. You sow them and they grow. To disseminate, to disperse throughout an area. Yes, one of the aims of my channel is to disseminate knowledge about the English language. Yeah. I disseminate so that it reaches many different people, different organizations. Yes, they were dissemination of propaganda. This is something that is very important for a dictatorship. Yeah, when is it propaganda and when is it information? Well, it probably depends on your point of view. So to disseminate, to scatter far and wide, to spread abroad, to promulgate, okay, to promulgate, the promulgation of information. Yeah, they want to disseminate information about preventative medicine. Yeah, to disseminate a political message. Okay, so to circulate, to pass around, to broadcast, to diffuse, to spread, to propagate, to popularize. Yeah, to make something that's available for everyone. Okay, it can take quite a long time to disseminate information, particularly as the information one has available can change over time. So to circulate information, to hand out, to make information known that's generally not known. Okay, and this is the idea of dissemination. So yes, political advertising, disseminating the policy of a political party. Dissemination of knowledge. I think dissemination of knowledge is a very good thing. So, formality, to disseminate. This is a rather formal word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. I wouldn't, let's see, informally, I'd use the word to spread. Yeah, just to spread the information, spread the word. Yeah, spread it on the grapevine. Semi-formally, just about, again, maybe spread. A semi-formal writing definitely would sound good. A formal writing would also sound very good. And as I said before, the origin is dis in all directions, and semino, I plant or I sow, from semen, seed. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Disseminate.